Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 5 English Grammar Session. Children, do you remember what we had learnt in our last session? Yes, we had learnt about some special words called as homophones. Now, can you tell me what are homophones? Yes, homophones are the words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Examples: the sun is very bright and hot. I have one son and two daughters. Here the words sun and son are called as homophones because they sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. Children, do you know English language is full of special words? Do you want to know about those special words? Now let's move further and try to find out about the other special words of English. Now tell me, children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, we can see two bats in this picture. One means an animal and the other means a baseball bat. Now you must be wondering, both the bats have same spelling, same sound, but the meanings are different. How is it possible? It is possible because there are some special words in English like bat, which have same sound, same spelling, but different meanings. Now let us see some more special words with same sound, same spelling, but different meanings. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, we can see the word bark. Now what is the meaning of the word bark? It means a sound made by a dog. Now let us see what we have in the second picture. Here again we have the word bark, but the meaning of the word bark here is different. It means covering of a tree trunk. So both the words have same spelling, same sound, but different meanings. Now let us have one more example. saw, which means to observe something and which also means a tool for cutting wood. So children, we can see here words with same sound, same spelling, but different meanings. Do you know, children, what are these types of words called? They are called as homonyms. Homonyms are the words that sound the same, are spelled the same, but have different meanings. Examples: that price seems fair to me. Here the word fair means correct. Are you going to eat ice cream at the fair? Here the word fair means festival or mela. So children, we can see here that both the fairs have same sound, same spelling, but they differ in their meanings. Now let us see some more examples of homonyms. Children, here we can see the different meanings of the word ring. One is the sound made by a telephone and the other is a finger ring. Next is the word palm. One meaning of the word palm is a part of our hand and the other is name of a tree. Next we have well. One meaning of the word well is good of health. For example, are you well? Yes, I am well. The other meaning is the hole in the ground from where we get water. So all these words have same sound, same spelling, but different meanings. And what are they called as? They are called as homonyms. Now let us see some more homonyms with their meanings and sentences. light. First meaning, something that makes things visible. Sentence, plants need light from the sun to grow. Light. Second meaning, not heavy, easy to lift. Sentence, your suitcase is so light. Fly. First meaning, a black insect with two wings. Sentence, there is a fly buzzing around the room. Fly. Second meaning, to move through the air with the help of wings. Sentence, she wants to become a pilot so she can fly airplanes. Rose and rose. The sun rose early this morning. Here the word rose is the past tense of the word rise. My dad gave my mother a beautiful white rose. Here the word rose is name of a flower. So children, here we saw many examples of the words with same spelling and same pronunciation but different meanings. And what are these words called as? These words are called as homonyms. Now let us make some more sentences from homonyms. Ring, ring. My father gave me a gold ring yesterday. The bell rings at 8 every morning. Park, park. Ram, please park the car here. Children are playing in the park. Bank, bank. We keep our money in the bank. People wash clothes near the bank of the river. Right, right. Go straight, then turn right to reach school. Yes, you are right, as all your answers are correct. Now children, let us solve some questions. Match the homonyms to their meanings. Number 1. Bark, bark. Now tell me children, what is the meaning of the word bark? It means the sound made by a dog. So let us match the sound made by a dog with the word bark. Now what is the other meaning of the word bark? It means the covering of a tree trunk. So let us match the covering of the tree trunk with the word bark. Number 2. Fly, fly. Now what is the meaning of the word fly, fly? It means an insect. So let us match an insect with the word fly. Now what is the other meaning of the word fly? It means to fly an aircraft. So let us match the word fly with flying an aircraft. Number 3. Pen. Children, can you see the picture of a pen here? So match the picture with the word pen. Now what is the other meaning of the word pen? It means house of animals. So let us match the house of animals with the word pen. Number 4. Star, star. Children, can you see a picture of star here? Yes. So match the picture with the word star. Now what is the other meaning of the word star? It means a superstar. So let us match the word star with the superstar. Children, I hope you must have understood homonyms very well. Now let us see how much you have understood. Now I am going to give you some questions. You have to read those questions carefully and write the answers in your notebook. Question number 1. Find the meanings of the pictures given here. Children, you have to find the meanings of the pictures given here and write in your notebook. Question number 2. Make sentences from the homonyms given here. Children, You have to make sentences from the homonyms given here and write it in your notebook. Thank you.